guys, what's up? I'm starting a vlog on a Wednesday again. Thursday. Oh my god. Okay. Yesterday I was just editing. Whole week I was just shooting and editing and it was kind of really hectic, so I forgot to vlog. Now I'm just sitting and working on few other things, back office thing. So downloading some softwares on my Mac and yeah, having an orange. So yeah, that is all for now. Long time no Maggie. Also, if you haven't seen my previous vlog, this is the one that I'm loving currently. It's kind of spicier than the normal Maggie and I love it. She already finished hers. She got the Chatpata Naan one. Guys, look at this. It's just ice. Like half cup was just ice. I'm losing my faith in McDonald's, yeah. I am finally wearing this brand, guys. This is my outfit. Shoes, really fancy angle, but then this is what you get when I vlog in public. So yay! I am here to watch Insidious Chapter 4 and I was so excited to have here with Lakshmi. She's not camera shy anymore, I'm happy about that. Yeah, so we are just waiting for my mud pie shake and then I'll just go and watch the movie and let you guys know how this is. Yo guys, we just got done with the movie. How was it?
It was nice. Okay, actually, not like great.
I liked it. Like there were few jump scares which were like really. Oh my god!
I was making her laugh.
Yeah. Half the movie I was like with my ear closed because that is what I do normally when I go to watch scary movies. I just close my ears because the movie is nothing without the music. So that is what I do. But it was fun. Nice.
It was fun.
Yeah. Better than those stupid Bollywood movies which have like no meaning at all. Now we're just going Zara, Splash and all of that and just see around and see if there's something interesting, then I will just go and buy it. The people are just staring at me. I'm just being awkward right now. Okay, bye. You guys, the damage has been done. She's holding it for me because I have my camera, phone and everything with me. There's some dance competition going on over here. It's lit, bro. Okay, I just reached home and you know what time it is. It's time for a mini haul, like a really mini haul. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this mirror. Let's open and see. Okay, decent. I have searched for table mirror literally everywhere and I even found one of those, like beauty gurus have those round table mirror at home center, but it was like this size, like literally something this. Imagine a little bit bigger than this, just this much. I couldn't even fit my entire face in there, so I was like, how will I do makeup with this? So I'm so happy I got like a bigger version of it with like a stand and all. It's like transparent, so it can go on with anything and I really like it. It's like minimal and if you're wondering the price, it's for like 549. Honestly, I had no intention to shop, but then I saw these boots there and I really like them. Ankle boots, but it has this detailing here. Just guess the price I got this for. It was 50% off and I got this for 1199. Great deal. Smoking hot soup with this beautiful girl. Out of focus, man. My camera sucks in low light. Yeah. So we just came to have the soup and it's available in Mahavir Nagar. This is the place, this thing right here, tent stall. And it's Mahavir Nagar in Kandivali if you're wondering. Okay guys, so it's Sunday today and I went for like a DIY supplies shopping. Yeah, I have planned a couple of DIYs. Since I was like free today, I decided I'll just go and get things so that whenever I want to post it, it's like right there, so I can just do things and then just post it. But I cannot show you guys what all things I got because I think that will just give away the video idea and I don't want to do that. But I got two other things. One is this Connect 4 game. Another thing, you guys have been requesting me to make a slime video, and I have never played with slime before. So I found this slime barrel at the store today, and I just thought I should give this a try. This was 60 rupees, by the way. I don't know if that's costly or not. So let's see if this slime is worth it. I'll just open this. Oh my god. It looks very liquidy. Oh my, this is cold, by the way. It's sticking. Oh, this is cold. This is cold. Look at this. My hands are too tiny for this. Can I just break this or something? Oh, done. This is so sticky. It's not actually sticking to my hand though. Okay, this is fun. People do those ASMR videos. How do they do it? Definitely this is not the right slime. Okay, so this feels like I have some watery, liquidy substance in my hand, but it's not making my hands wet. It's like this really weird signs. Okay. Oh my freaking god. I have lost it. This is satisfying. This is fun. I was so wrong about this. I thought, why are people so obsessed with this? I had no clue, but now I realize it. That is what I have seen people do. Make like a poop out of it. Now I'm just going to stretch this and see how far this can actually go. I'm very sure this will break at some point. Okay, if I receive a hate comment, this will be me next. I got enough thumbnails, you guys. Okay, so my mom, she's holding the slime and she's gonna try. Okay, so kids are obsessed with slime.
Okay.
And slime was a big thing in 2017 on the internet, on YouTube. And she was asking me what's with the caution written on it. So I have no clue. It's just the packaging, I think. So like, just play with it.
Both the sides it is.
Yeah.
How
the
it
height.
will be in my hand.
Like, just pour it over.
Let's see. Oh my god. Very sticky.
It's sticky. But does your hand feel... Yeah.
No.
It doesn't stick to your hand.
No. Yeah, it's very nice to play. Feel like playing with it. Oh god. So funny. My god.
She cannot stop. She's stretching it too much. So that was it. I really hope you guys liked this vlog. Also, let me know if you guys would like to see me trying out fluffy slime for the first time or crunchy slime for the first time. Like, I would like to play with those instead of this because that looks more satisfying. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I'll just do like a small poll here. So just click on the yes or no button, and yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye.